This next thing looks really weird. I should save it for the end. Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to open a Tokyo treat box. I don't know if you can even hear me behind this huge box. So after I got back from Japan, Instagram and Facebook obviously knew I was in Japan because I was tagging it everywhere. And I kept getting this ad for a Tokyo treat box, which is all the snacks and candy from Tokyo, but delivered here on a monthly basis. It is a subscription box. So this is my first box. It took a really long time to get here, and actually I've already been charged for my second box before this box arrived, but they warn you that on their site. They say because it's international shipping that you could potentially be charged for 2 boxes before you even receive your first box. And that's exactly what happened to me. So let's go through it and see if I want to be charged for a 3rd box or if I should just end it with the 2nd box. So this describes everything that's in my box. Probably gonna need this to help me translate. So I'm gonna go through everything that came in this Tokyo treat box. It's supposed to be all Japanese treats. Number 1, we have a sugar rusk ume bar. This crispy corn snack is full of sugary, crunchy goodness. It will satisfy your crispy, crunchy cravings. And number 2, it says new mochi taro puffs. These little crunchy puffs are a light and easy to eat snack. They make a great afternoon snack when you're needing an extra boost. Again, probably full of sugar. Jinbi's matcha chocolate corn puffs. This month, look out for these limited edition matcha chocolate corn puffs. Rich matcha meets creamy chocolate in these yummy star-shaped corn puff snack. Watch out, these puffs are highly addictive. And I will say that in Japan, a lot of their treats are limited edition. Like, they just release it for a month or a few weeks. So I don't know if that's just, to build hype, but it's kind of cool that a lot of their snacks come limited edition. So the next item I found in my box is this cherry mochi. It says these little cherry flavored mochi squares are packed with fruity goodness. The fruity flavor and soft chewy texture makes these a delicious little snack. And more mochi. So this one just says strawberry mochi, and it says these chewy mochi have a sweet strawberry filling. Oh, that sounds really good. These are a great snack when you're craving something fruity and sweet. And more strawberry. Let's just do all the strawberry things. This says Ginza Rusk Pink Strawberry Biscuits. These biscuits are loaded with rich chocolate and sweet strawberry flavor. Once you eat one, you won't be able to stop. That sounds so good. I did not have anything like this when I was in Japan, and I tried to try all the treats, but this sounds so good. So this next little item, it says Dotaro Crispy Flakes. These crispy flakes have a delicious curry flavor. They make a perfect topping for udon or your favorite Japanese noodle dish. It's really full and they're very crunchy. This has Hello Kitty on it. Oh my gosh, so cute. I think it's a lollipop. We'll see. Let's see, the Hello Kitty Strawberry Lollipop. Okay, so I'm seeing a trend that so far 3 items already have had strawberry. Hello Kitty has a special treat for you, this yummy strawberry lollipop. Enjoy the delicious fruity flavor. And now we have some chips. Okay, so this is the one that they said they swapped out. So in here, it says something different than on here. So I'm going to read this. Instead you will be receiving Calbee lightly salted, so this is lightly salted chips. So I was supposed to get potato pizza mayo chips. That is a tongue twister.
Potato pizza mayo.
But instead I got lightly salted, which I kind of feel like I would prefer because I hate mayo. So I'm glad for the switch. And, okay, obviously more strawberry, because it has this little cute little strawberry right there. And this one says, Strawberry Soft Cream DIY Snack. You create your own soft cream cone with this DIY snack kit. It tastes like a strawberry soft serve. Okay, so this is really interesting. If you look at the instructions in the back, you undo the packet, you add water and stir it up, and then you put it in a cone. So it must be some sort of gelatin or something that can turn into a cream. I don't know. I would love to play with these things, but I gave up sugar for a month and I'm barely on day 5. So I don't want to tempt myself just by even opening it and looking at it or anything like that. This has a cute little pig on it, and everything in Japan has cute little things all over it. This says Chobo Chobo cookies. These little cookies are baked to perfection with a traditional recipe that melts in your mouth. And again, they have like really cute these little cute faces on these. And for this, it says Tahato Caramel Corn Puffs. These caramel corn puffs come in a pack of 4, so they're perfect for sharing with friends. Once you get a taste of the sweet caramel, you'll be hooked. So I guess it's kind of like a Cheeto, except sweet, like caramel corn. And I'm so happy for this one. I have a premium box, so I ended up getting 5 extra things in my box. And one of them is a bag of Kit Kats, and I brought back probably like 20 bags of Kit Kats, and I'm almost out of all of them because I gave them all to friends because they have such unique Kit Kat flavors, like flavors you'll never find anywhere else, like chocolate banana and like strawberry cheesecake and like matcha. They had wasabi, which I didn't get because I was really scared, but this one is Sakura Japanese Sake Kit Kats. This month's premium subscribers will be receiving the limited edition Sakura Japanese Sake Kit Kats. This new Kit Kat flavor tastes like spring in Japan with a blend of fragrant cherry blossom and rich Japanese sake. You will feel like you're at a Hanami picnic while eating these. So sake is actually alcohol, and so it has a alcohol taste to it. So I'm kind of interested to see if these will taste like that or if it'll taste more like the cherry blossom smell. We'll see. Probably when I open these, I will post it on Facebook or Instagram. So you guys should be following me on Instagram or on Facebook. Either way. They sound interesting. Okay, so this last item, it's so weird. Like I loved trying all the weird stuff in Japan, but I literally don't think that I can try this. Like, okay, you ready? Just take a minute. It's Fanta. This is a Fanta yogurt banana mix. Yogurt banana mix. It says, this delicious carbonated drink is made of healthy ingredients and vitamins. The mixture of banana and yogurt flavors make this the ultimate fruity drink. I don't see myself trying this. I don't really like yogurt. I don't really like soda. And like, I'm okay with bananas, especially when it's fake banana flavor. So I just don't think it sounds satisfying. I don't feel like this will quench my thirst. Maybe I'll take a small sip, but that is all. Yeah, so follow me on Instagram and my adventures. When I can have sugar again, we will be trying all of these. I have another Tokyo treat box coming because I don't have a choice. I paid for it already. I do think the box is worth it, especially if you're like as obsessed with Japan as I am. And I loved trying everything while I was there, and everything just like comes in such cute little packaging that I do feel like getting this monthly is totally a treat. So I'm probably gonna keep it at least for a little while, so you'll get to see a few more of these. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!